Alright, so anybody out there wondering how to change their cabin air filter on a 10th gen Civic, this is how to do it. This is a new filter from Honda. They are $25. Here's my old one after almost 10,000 miles. It's pretty simple. Don't worry about that. That's all the stuff from the glove box because it will fall out. You just pinch inside there, pinch inside there, and you'll see these little things. They just slide, it just pulls down, and here's where it goes. So I guess I'm just doing reverse steps. So match your airflow up, the airflow going down, just like that. Put the filter in there, like so. Alright, sorry somebody called me. So let's get back to this. So goes in there, airflow, and to take these out, you just pinch on one side, and then pinch on the other to get them out, to get them in this same way. Just get it in there, line it up. Let's see, it goes in. Once you get one side, it's easy to get the other. There we go. So there you go, it is in, we are snapped in. If I can do it one-handed, I think everybody should be able to do it two-handed. So yeah, this is Grant from GE Motorsports. Come for the installs, stay for the vlogs. Bye guys.